Good morning, students. My name is T. Arjun Chakravarti, working as a functional English and life skills trainer. Today, I brought a very interesting topic for you. It's a very essential tool to start the career. Can you guess what is the tool? Yes, your guess is correct. Today, we are going to discuss resume preparation. What is a resume? A resume is a summary of your education, experience, and skills for potential employers. The resume's physical appearance, and more importantly, what you say and how you say it, will affect an employer's decision to interview an interviewer. Your resume should highlight your qualifications for employment in a particular position or career field. A resume prepared for one position might leave out information that would be included in a resume for another position. In all cases, your resume should focus on your qualifications and transferable skills and suggest future contributions you could make to the employer. Your resume should always be up to date, so rewrite and reprint as often as necessary. In fact, it is a good idea to update your resume every time you have a new accomplishment. Keep in mind that your resume may get as little as 15 to 30 seconds of consideration. Be relevant, concise, and consistent in your layout and writing styles. Always remember, resumes get interview, not jobs. Now let's learn how to write a resume. You have to be very careful while writing the resume. First thing, you have to keep it in your mind that everything on your resume should be written with the most important information first. And also each entry should be arranged with the most recent experience first. When you are trying to decide what to leave in and what to leave out, make certain that everything relates back to your objective. Meet the employer's needs like academic experience, leadership. Everything on your resume should communicate to the readers that you know what the employer's needs are and what that you have the experience, skills, leadership, and education to meet employers' need. Be professional. When people seek an entry level position, they are generally trying to bridge the gap between student and professional. You can accomplish this by keeping out or changing the items which remind people that you are a student. Consistency. Everything from dates to abbreviations and formatting should remain consistent throughout your resume. And also use past tense actions words to demonstrate the transferable skills you can offer the employer. And also no usage of pronouns in the resume. Now let us see a sample resume. Here it is, have a look. As I said, the first we have to mention the important information on the top, followed by objectives, experience, education, interest, references. You can see everything in this picture. It is very clear. So after listening this class, I hope you too will come up with a good resume. Thank you so much for listening this class.